all, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, in our last class we discussed about plants based on their lifespan. Is it? Yes, on the basis of plants lifespan we can classify the plants into three. What are they? Yes, annual plants, biennial plants and perennial plants. Is it? Okay students, today we are going to discuss about plants based on their place of growth. Okay, plants based on their place of growth. Okay students, some plants that grow on land and other some plants that grow in water. Is it? Yes. Okay, on the basis of place of growth we can classify the plants into two. They are terrestrial plants and aquatic plants or hydrophytes. What are called terrestrial plants? Terrestrial plants means plants that grow on land. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Okay, all of you clear? Yes, terrestrial plants means plants that grow on land. They are called terrestrial plants. Okay, example is mango tree, apple tree, rose plant and neem tree. These are the examples of terrestrial plants. Okay, all of you clear? What are terrestrial plants? Yes, terrestrial plants means that plants that grow on land. Okay students, some terrestrial plants that grow in dry desert region. Okay, some terrestrial plants that grow in dry desert region, regions. They are called xerophytes. Okay, they are called xerophytes. Okay, some terrestrial plants that grow in dry desert regions. They are called xerophytes. Okay, example, yes, cactus plant and prickly pear. Okay, all of you clear? What are terrestrial plants and what are xerophytes? Okay. Okay students, the next that is aquatic plants or hydrophytes. What is mean by aquatic plants? Aquatic plants means plants that grow in water. Are we clear? Plants that grow in water. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Example, yes, lotus and water hyacinth or water lily. These are the examples for aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Okay, all of you clear? Yes students, some aquatic plants that grow completely underwater. Okay, some aquatic plants that grow completely underwater, they are called submerged plants. Okay, they are called submerged plants. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Example, hydrilla. Okay, plants that grow completely underwater, they are called submerged plants. Example, hydrilla. Terrestrial plants means plants that grow on land. Is it? Yes. Example, mango tree, apple tree, rose plant. And yes, some terrestrial plants that grow in dry desert regions, they are called xerophytes. Example, cactus and prickly pear. Okay students, the next is aquatic plants or hydrophytes means yes, plants that grow in water. They are called aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Okay, yes. Example, lotus and water hyacinth. Okay, these are the examples for aquatic plants or hydrophytes. The next is submerged plants. Submerged plants means plants that grow completely underwater. They are called submerged plants. Example, hydrilla. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. That's the next plants based on their flowering pattern. Okay, we can classify the plants into two based on their flowering pattern. Okay, they are, yes, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Okay, flowering plants means, yes, plants that produce flowers. Okay, plants that produce flowers, they are called flower example, yes, rose plant, hibiscus plant, mango tree, gulmoga tree. These are the examples for flowering plants. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. What is meant by non-flowering plants? Non-flowering plants means, yes, plants that do not produce flowers. They are called non-flowering plants. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Example, algae, moss, fern. These are the examples for non-flowering plants. Okay, what are flowering plants and what are non-flowering plants? Okay, flowering plants means plants that produce flowers. Non-flowering plants means plants that do not produce flowers. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.